I'm expecting a pretty quick move to this data low down here. Still want to be patient though. I don't just want to take it right off rip. And if it wants to hit off rip, then oh well. I don't like taking trades right in the first few minutes here. We need to see some sort of retrace higher, and then we get a push lower, but we are currently inside of this 15-minute fair value gap, so I want to be cautious of that. And then overall, I'd say price, we're still leaning bullish as NQ just tapped into this daily gap. So there's a few things I want to be cautious about, but I would still expect this data low to get hit. But I would not just tag a one-to-one here. If we tap this 1 minute and then get a reaction lower, then I would take that. Just be impatient. Letting price show me exactly what it wants to do. No 1 minute tap, no trade. All right, there's the tap. 25 160-ish would be my entry. Probably give this a little bit more room. Not a great reaction so far to that 1 minute gap. With price holding this 15 minute right here, it'd just be too sketchy to enter mid candle. At least too early in the candle. And that is why. That is exactly why. If you tried entering down here, you already stopped. See, this is ideally where we retrace to, and then we get a flip. Like that would be nice. That'd be really nice. I'd go in with 6 contracts because ES is still bearish, so I like that. Like a nice strong candle close here is what I'd look for. around like this region. But I gotta wait for the close. I can't just take. It's not gonna give it to me. It's all right. No candle close. I can't take it. I at least gotta wait till it's 15 seconds within closing. If it doesn't give me that, I can't take it. This looks really good. If you can give me a better entry, if we can go up a little bit, I'll take it. I'm gonna take this on ES instead. I don't like this hesitation. This is not a good reaction. I'll take it on ES if ES wants to retrace to the gap, but that's the only way I take this. This is not the reaction I want to see at all. And I don't think this trade was bad, like the continuation short. I was more picky because first of all, NQ was more bullish asset, and also we're respecting this 15-minute. I don't like either of those things. And now we're having like a V-shaped recovery. However, ES is still extremely bearish, so I would want to see a 1-minute tap here, and then we now have an SMT at the high. So, that was a really good fade. I'm glad I faded that. That short looked really nice. A 1-minute tap and then an entry would be really, really good here. All right, SMT at the highs right here. Entry would be around 74.01. Make sure I'm risking correctly. Okay, yeah, that's good. All right, looks like we just want to go higher. Unless we have a 5 minute. Oh, we do have a 5 minute? Hold on. I like that. I like that a lot. SMT at the highs with a 5 minute. That'd be really nice. I would have to go for a bit of an earlier entry though on this. Oh shit, we might get it right here. I would just be aiming for a 1-to-1 here. $74.03. This is still too early for an entry. I do like it a lot. If we get back down towards the area, I'm taking it. See, it's fading setups like this that look really good that don't end up playing out. These are the differences between consistently profitable and not. See, like NQ's pumping, ES isn't going anywhere, which is what I really like about this. Like we are holding this 5 minute really nicely so far. Like if we can sell off here, like this would be really nice. This is starting to be a deeper retrace than I'd want to see though. Starting to look like that V-shaped recovery. I just don't on NQ like targets higher. I don't really have any. All I have is all-time high. But I have learned in my years to not trade in the opposite direction when data is still not taken. I would still be open to this short though, 100%. If we just keep pumping though, I'll switch my bias to bullish. Yeah, we respected that 15 minute nicely. Not gonna lie. My entry for this would be right around, oh shit, if I can keep it in the same fucking spot. 74.04, somewhere in that area. Like down here. I just be going for a 1-to-1. In my opinion, if we sink lower here, this is a very high probability 1-to-1. If we don't, then we're just gonna keep pumping higher. But SMT at the high, I mean, this looks really good. But we let the chart tell us what it wants to do. Holy shit! And it wants to go higher. Okay. All right, so we're not gonna get a short, but that's all right. I'm gonna grab a fucking drink. I need to wait for another candle, anyways. All right, let's see. Oh, bro. You're fucking me. That's so bullshit. That's gonna. I mean, I'll enter. Like if it's a strong close, I will enter for sure. That's rage, babe. Do we have like news or some shit? Hold on. No, we actually don't. Ugh. This looks good. Candle close is not gonna line up for my entry unless we can come back up here. If we can close in this area, then I'll take it. I'm gonna take that.
Order filled.
We're actually like negative R here. Hold on. I'll look for a flush through data low. Now we just sit back, let the trade do its thing. But I would take this trade 10 out of 10 times, even if it fails. I would take this. Like if we wanted to have some kind of manipulation and go higher before taking the draw, this was that manipulation. So I'm putting myself in a good spot. Like if my draw is correct, this trade hits. I'll be right back though. I gotta check something real quick. All right. How are we looking? This looks good. NQ starting to get bearish. This looks really good. Very nice. Just being patient. One more flush, I'll go break even. More good, strong candle close. I still want to hold this. I want to give it room. I think with the data low there, we're fine. Gotta let the probabilities play out. That's not the reaction you want to see. Ugh. All right, well, that doesn't look bad. Good close there. I actually really like that. Very nice. Looks really good. Very nice. I have to go break even here. That looks good. Oh shit. Oh, we're out. Let's go. W trade. That was beautiful. Well, my TP was like right here, wasn't it? I think. Beautiful trade. Absolutely beautiful. That was exactly what you want to see. Completely an invalidation of any excuse me. In like look at the 5-minute time frame. Invalidation of any reason to go higher. ES is the weaker asset, respecting this 5-minute gap. We SMT all of these highs with NQ right here. We have data low, which is a very strong draw on liquidity. Just overall, I mean, that is exactly what you look for. And here, if I would have gone break even too early and gone break even here after this kind of chop at the internal low, I would not be taking advantage of this trade. Now, would I have re-entered on this probably around here? Yes, but no, this was beautiful trade, beautiful execution. We did not do some bullshit and enter too early here. Instead, we wait for it to be dumb clear, wait for a retrace, tap the 5-minute, respect it, and then that's what you get. But yeah, that is going to wrap it up for me today. As always, I do have the link to join my free Discord. That's going to be in the description of this video. In the free Discord, you can find access to join my premium Discord if any of you guys are interested in that. But I appreciate you guys watching. I hope this breakdown was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.